we are India's first crypto auditing, or call it a blockchain auditing company, who has been doing auditing for more than 5 years for law enforcement and other agencies. So when the government of India said that we are going to come up with the crypto taxation, it was pretty much logical for us. So we ushered upon our journey to build Catax. So Catax is a SaaS solution that helps you organize your digital assets, or call it crypto books, automatically. That means we do bookkeeping for you, we do accounting for you, and on that we do tax report generation for you. Why it is required? As of today, primarily in India, we have more than 115 million investors. 40% of them have a national and international account. They have not only have account in India, but also on international exchanges like Coinex, Binance, Kraken, etc. Not only that, they are actively trading on DeFi's, DEXs, NFT, and whatnot. That's fine. But based on that, the government of India came up with a different calculation regime. So not only set of loss is allowed. By that we mean the profit made on Ethereum cannot be set of loss in Dogecoin or Bitcoin. They have to do cumbersome tedious calculation. Obviously, India is a altogether different ecosystem, and we are primarily relied on chartered accountant or CPAs to do our bookkeeping or taxes. So whenever any individual reach out to these people, they are not able to help because they do not have a prior education, nor they are comfortable with auditing the crypto books, because those are still not regulated entity in India. That has resulted in a lot of revenue loss to the government, and also problem for the majority of the crypto investors in India. So we built Catax to answer that pain. At Catax, you come and register, you add your exchanges. That can happen in two ways. Either you can, if exchanges support APIs like Binance or Coinbase, you just have to provide read-only API key. We fetch your transactions there and we build up your books. Alternatively, other exchanges provide you CSV or Excel file, which you can upload in order to build your books. We do the calculation and automated report. Obviously, it's not just exchanges where individual trade. So we have been moving forward to build a solution that not only supports national and international exchanges, but also supports directly blockchain, custodian wallet, NFT, and DeFi's. How that translates is, you do your MetaMask authentication, and we are able to fetch the MetaMask wallet address. On basis of that, we build up your ERC token books, your Ethereum transaction, and everything else. NFT is something that we are progressing with, and DeFi is something that we intend to work after NFT. So what we are envisioning here is not just exchanges, but building a comprehensive solution that helps you in connecting with any player in the Web3 ecosystem. So far, we are a freemium. That means investors, based on the transaction, they are provided free service or paid service. If you want to have a report, you need to pay. We have a dedicated taxation consultancy and the support. That's it. So far, our brand journey has been awesome. With zero revenue, with zero marketing spending, we have been covered by national media like Coindex, Times of India, Financial Express, all because we have been proven subject matter expert on this domain. We have been displaying knowledge around crypto taxation, auditing, and all those, wherein we have done a number of seminars, and 2,500 attendees have attended. Our answers have received more than 200,000 views. Our website has achieved 70,000 organic traffic, which has translated into 10% of beta list user. Our brand visibility is 2.5 thousand followers on LinkedIn, 5,000 Twitter, and 3,000 on Facebook. That's it. Our revenue model is pretty simple. Up to 100 transactions, we are free for you. From 100 to 10,000 transactions, we charge bare minimum $10 for Indian customers. And about 10,000 transactions, we charge you $30, which is approximately 50% cheaper from competitor. Being cheap is not our strategy. This is something that we are trying to gain the market. That's it. Our additional taxation consultancy services cost you around $30 for 30 minutes. And we have been making by providing support for the crypto tax notices. By that we mean the government is sending notices to the individual, and we help them reply to that. That's it. Our unit economics is, as far we have discovered, it's around $10 for customer acquisition. And based on Indian customer analysis, we believe the lifetime value is approximately $100, specifically for India, and margin is approximately 70%. That's it. Our product is being tested with the beta customers at this point of time, but we have been making revenue with helping with the tax consultancy, IT report, and all. We have received 3 LOIs and MOUs with the enterprises or the startup in India, which are looking forward to streamline their taxation and the compliance. We have a wait list of 6,000 customers as of today. The market size across the world is huge, 500 million investors in the crypto world, and approximately 100 million are in India. So according to the Pantera Capital report, we believe that, according to the report, there is approximately $3 billion TAM size, and we believe around $10 million worth of market in India. The interesting point is we look ourselves as a crypto regtech company or blockchain auditing company where taxation is the wedge, or it's a beachhead market for us. We are looking at a larger token economy, which is going to be 15 billion economy by 2025. By that we mean starting with the taxation, provide supporting services to the professionals, chartered accounting, CPA, auditor, etc., and innovate in the blue ocean. Do book compliance for DeFi's, which are soon going to be regulated across the world, and any other opportunity that emerges. So based on what is our current product offering, our competitive advantage or our competition are three unicorns based out of US, which haven't came into India because of logical reason. Every country have their own taxation regime, and India is totally different behemoth. In India, we have two competitors. One is ClearTax, which has been old online taxation solution provider. They have ventured into crypto taxes recently. When we compare to them, our services is much better in terms of we have not only.
Hi, Gaurav. Please wrap up your presentation.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So that's that. Our team consists of Gaurav Mehta, which is me. I have 10 years of crypto experience. I'm a dropout from materials. I'm dropout from Digital Currency University of Nicosia. I have masters in innovation and technology. Have a 5 years of forensic experience, taxation experience, TEDx speaker. Have worked with all national and international, national and state agency. Handled more than $10 billion worth of crypto cases. With me in the supporting role is Shaura Aditya Singh, who has won various awards from the government, precisely to be 3 awards in crypto innovation. Blockchain innovation. And with us, supported by our co-founder is Lakshmi Rao ma'am with 32 years of taxation and auditing. So I believe this is the best team that is available in India, and now all those knowledge is being translated into product development and reaching out to the market. So open to questions.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for the presentation. Yeah, Tarunas, you're ready.
Yeah. So first of all, congrats. I think there's a big problem. I think it's a great solution. There's no doubt. I don't have anything to challenge. I don't have even questions. There are many competitors in other markets that are doing this. They recently from the landscape. Trust me, there are another 20 that raised at least 5 million rounds in the last 12 months or so. So I can only give you like small advice, and that's it. Is like I think focus on Indian market. Don't look elsewhere. Try to execute as fast as possible. Drop all the services. I don't think, we're gonna have custom services for extra revenue. I wouldn't do it. It's gonna slow you down and so on. I would focus on the SaaS business and growing as fast as possible, and then get for an acquisition in the next couple of years. And that's it. So I have nothing else to say. I think it's a clear problem. I think the product is very clear. It's all about the market share and who's going to take the biggest share of it. Because I think then it's very difficult to change the provider. So I think it's very important. I think the stickiness of the customer is very large. So as much customers you can take, the better acquisition offers are going to get. So congrats. Go ahead.
Thank you for kind feedback. I'm just to highlight our growth strategy here. Recently, we have been talking with the guidance of BFG. We have been able to formulate our growth strategy wherein we are partnering with exchanges, wherein wherever the customer referred, they receive 40% of revenue and rest 60% is kept by us. So Indian, due to policy, the transaction flow has gone down, therefore the revenue. So this is how we are going to acquire a large set of customer. But before that, we are ensuring our technology is capable of supporting that large volume of customer.
Mickey, you want to go?
Yeah, you can go ahead first.
Okay, thanks. I actually had the same, it was a question about the global market. I mean, like I see that it will be very challenging because the bookkeeping rules, like they are all different across the world. And what can be done in one jurisdiction doesn't necessarily mean something is at least 10% similar in another one. So it's not like scaling or replicating, it's actually building the solution from the scratch in terms of all the documents and all the pipeline in each country. So it might be more challenging that you depicted it in the pitch deck. And another question, which I wonder, because you are in India, some of my friends recently moved out of India to Dubai and other places because of the huge taxes, like the new taxation policy for crypto in India. And from what they tell is that like the high net worth individuals are moving out of India, not to pay those crazy taxes. And those who cannot afford that, they actually go into the, like they say, no taxation side. So they try to avoid the exchanges that can, report any data and actually avoid filing the books on crypto. So do you see this as a problem? And how do you think your solution is going to, to comply with that? Especially talks are that India might, reverse that decision and actually do something with those high taxes because they actually started getting less than more.
Yeah, so I'll answer your first question. This is where other companies like Catax, or when we talk about TaxBit, they have missed. Those are the companies that are founded by non-technical person. I have a 10 years of experience in technology. So the first thing that we did is build a very robust layer on the ground. By that, we mean we have a custom functions wherein we have to put taxes 10%, 20%, 30%, VAT, TDS, and other implementation. So if I want to go out to Uganda or Latin market, which we plan to do in 2024, with the bare minimum of 2 or 3 months of working on the custom module, we would be able to integrate because blockchain is common across the world. So that is our USP that would unfold down 1 or 2 years that would help us to achieve the scalability. So technology by modulation and B partnership exchange. So that is the theory and the work we have done here so far. Second thing is we work very, very, very closely with the government. Again, I would like to stress very closely. In fact, so closely that we have analyzed a lot of data on the government behalf whenever they have consolidated the data from the government. Interesting thing here is when we look at the international exchange, international service provider like TaxBit, they are providing crypto taxation for free to everyone. So the question arises where the money is being made. The bigger chunk of money is going to be made from the government side, and soon that is going to get ready as the government understands that they're not able to understand who are moving money from where and all those things. So gradually we have been making path in order to build up the case where we are positioning ourselves as a perfect participant or perfect player to build a blockchain analytics solution, which would provide them not only who is moving money, who has moved money, what kind of taxation that owe, which we believe would be opening up once the government is little more ready down 1 year. So that's where the bigger money lies.
So you're on the dark side.
Not the dark side. It's just about making money. Who needs our skill, we are happy to serve them.